Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see the top best Android virtual machines for any Vivo phone. Now, what is a virtual machine? A virtual machine allows you to run multiple operating systems or applications in isolated environments on a single smartphone. Now, it is mainly used by software developers to test softwares. Now, let's check the top best virtual machines for any Vivo phone. Now, the best virtual machine is Virtual Master. To download it, just open the Play Store app and in the search bar, just search Virtual Master. Now from here, just install this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to install this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, tap on I agree and tap on Create VM. Now from here, just download any Android version you like. I will download Android 4. Now just tap on In-App Download. Now from here, tap on Download. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Android version to download. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on About Phone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Software Information. Now just tap on the build number a few times until you enable developer options. Now once you enable developer options, just go back and tap on System Management. From here, just tap on Developer Options. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you disable child process restrictions. Now once you do that, just go back to the Virtual Master app and select the Android version which you have downloaded. Now just tap on Next. From here, just select the screen resolution. I will select device resolution and tap on Next. Now from here, just set a name for your virtual machine. I will set it as Android 4. Now just tap on Done and tap on Complete. Now just tap on Start VM. Now just wait for a few seconds for it to install the files and to start booting. Now just tap on Allow. Now from here, as you can see, we have successfully opened the virtual machine on our smartphone. Just like that. Now to go back to your home screen, just tap on this Virtual Master icon. Now from here, just tap on Shut Down. Now just tap on Confirm. Now the second best virtual machine for any Vivo phone is Virtual Android. Now to download this app, just open the Play Store and in the search bar, just search Virtual Android. Now from here, just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, just tap on Open. From here, tap on Agree and tap on Confirm. Now just wait for a few seconds for the Virtual Android app to download some files. Now from here, just tap on While using the app and tap on OK. Now from here, tap on Developer Options. Now from here, just scroll down and make sure you disable child process restriction. And once you do that, just go back and tap on Start. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds. Now, as you can see, we have entered into the virtual Android virtual machine, just like that. Now to go back to your home screen, just tap on the virtual Android icon over here and tap on shutdown, just like that. And these were the top best Android virtual machines for any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.